Hello. In this video, we will save a plot to a file using Matplotlib in Python. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we'll search for how to save a plot in a PDF file. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result as it matches our query. Now this use case requires Matplotlib library to function. So before proceeding, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Let's get back to our code now. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code now. Here we are importing the necessary libraries. Here we define a function called getData that generates an array of 10 random numbers between 0 and 1. Now here we create a figure with 5 rows and 2 columns with this function. And here the code saves the figure as a PDF file. Let's run the code now. And you have saved a plot to file using Matplotlib in Python.